Welcome to this Geomechanics education program video called Soil Carbon Investigation. Soil acts as a major carbon sink. Organic matter in soil stores carbon, influencing climate and environmental health. Factors such as soil type, moisture, and land use affect carbon retention. The aim of this activity is to collect soil samples from different areas and test for organic content using drying, weighing, and burning to understand carbon retention. You will need the following materials per small group. Some soil samples from 3 to 4 different locations, such as the garden, bushland, and urban parks. A hand lens. Some aluminium trays. Some crucibles. A tripod and gauze mat. A Bunsen burner. A heat-proof mat. Some tongs. A set of scales. An oven, and safety glasses and gloves. A quick safety note: students should wear safety glasses and gloves at all times, handle hot crucibles with tongs, hair should be tied back and avoid loose clothing, perform this experiment in a well-ventilated lab under teacher supervision, and never leave the Bunsen burner unattended. First, you will need to prepare the soil samples. Remove any large stones and debris. When back in the lab, students should record their initial observations of the soils using a hand lens. There are 2 tables to fill out in the student worksheet. Next, we need to weigh the wet soil. The soil may already feel dry, but it likely contains some moisture. Place the soil in a foil tray and record the mass. Make sure you either record the weight of the aluminium tray or tare the scales before weighing the soil. Next, place the tray in your oven at about 105 degrees Celsius for 12 to 24 hours. It's important that your oven's temperature does not go higher than about 110 degrees because this can start decomposing organic matter, which will interfere with your later burning setup. Allow the sample to cool in the oven or on a desiccator or on a heat-proof mat. Weigh again and record the dry mass. You can calculate the moisture loss by taking away the dry mass from the wet mass. Now it's time to burn off the organic matter. Put 10 to 20 grams of soil into a crucible. Make sure you either record the weight of the crucible or tare the scales before weighing the soil. Heat the crucible strongly over a Bunsen burner for 20 to 30 minutes. The soil should turn lighter in color as it loses organic content. Allow the crucible and soil to cool completely, then weigh again and record the final mass. Now we can calculate the organic content of the soil. First, get the organic matter loss with the following equation: dry soil mass minus post-ignition mass. Then, express the organic matter as a percentage of the original dry mass with the following: organic matter loss divided by the dry soil mass times 100. Ask the students to summarize their results and discuss them. Results will vary. You may choose to test the students' learning by asking them to answer these discussion questions provided in the student worksheet. As an extension to this activity, you could ask the students to research carbon sequestration techniques in agriculture and their role in climate change mitigation. Thanks for watching this Geomechanics education program video. For more fun, hands-on earth science activities, visit our website, AusEarthEd.com.au.